Hi guys, welcome to NetOK. In this video, we are going to learn and configure the three basic passwords for the Cisco device. The three password types we are discussing here are enable password, enable secret, and console password. So let's talk about enable password. Let's get a router. You know, when you try to log into a Cisco IOS, first you have to go into privilege execution mode from user execution mode. In order to do that, you type enable and press enter. Enable password controls the user ability to enter to the privilege execution mode. Now let's see how to configure enable password. Type enable, enter. To go to configuration mode, type conf t. In configuration mode, type enable password and then your password. For easy purpose, I am using it as EPW1234. Enter. Now let's see if it works. I'm in use execution mode now. Let's type enable and press enter. Now the iOS asks the password. Let's type EPW1234, but it doesn't show the password for security reasons. Once you press enter, you can go to the privilege execution mode. But there is a fallback here. Think you are an administrator and for some reason you have to allow some guys to configure something on your router just for one time only. So you open the CLI, put your password and let that guy do his work. While you are not there, the guy can see your password by executing the showrun command. But instead of using enable password, if you use enable secret command, that guy couldn't see the original password but an encrypted one. In order to do that in the configuration mode, just type enable secret and your password. I am using SPW1234. When you set enable secret, the Cisco IOS gives priority to the secret one rather than the clear texted one. See, if I put EPW1234 as the password, it doesn't allow me to log. So I will put SPW1234. Now if I execute show run command, the secret password shows in an encrypted format. Next password type is console password. So let's make a console connection to the router. I am getting a PC and connect both devices using a console cable. In router, you have to connect to the console port as I'm showing here. So let's configure it. Go to configuration mode and type line console 0. Since we have only one console, we are putting 0 here. Hit enter. Then type password and your password. I'm using LPW1234. Enter. But this is just not enough. After you set up the console password, you need to tell the iOS to ask it when someone tries to log in. You do this by simply executing the login command. Now let's log into the router using PC. Go to PC, select desktop and terminal. OK. Now if you hit enter, you are asked the console password even before you go to the use execution mode. Let's put LPW1234 and enter. So hope it helps guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.